Hello, entrepreneurs. We are TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems. Are you ready to explore merchant processing for e-commerce, leveraging modern systems? Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your thoughts below in the comments section. Understanding e-commerce payment processing. Unlock the potential of your online payments. From purchase initiation to seamless integration with e-commerce platforms. The role of payment gateways. Discover the vital role of payment gateways in secure data transfer. These gateways act as bridges between customers and merchants. High-risk merchant processing and payment gateways. Navigate the challenges of high-risk businesses. Learn about advanced security features that protect both merchants and customers. Navigating the CBD merchant processing landscape. Explore custom solutions tailored to the dynamic CBD industry. Secure payments while adhering to ever-changing regulations. Catering to credit repair merchant processing. Support credit repair businesses with specialized payment systems. Strengthen client trust through secure financial transactions. The evolution of credit card payment processing. Trace the evolution of credit card payment processing, from manual methods to modern contactless technology. Focus on enhanced security and convenience. The advantages of modern payment processing systems. Uncover the benefits of embracing modern payment processing systems. Real-time monitoring, diverse payment methods, and improved customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of experience, they are the go-to provider for businesses worldwide. See you in the next video.